Welcome back to my channel, Hazel's Diary. Guys, thank you so much for all your support, for watching my videos, and for subscribing to my little growing channel. Yay! And in this video, guys, is something different because actually it's the first time that I will do a milkshake. It's gonna be strawberry with dried cranberries. And also, it's gonna be healthy, guys, because I will use low-fat milk and the sugar will be organic coconut sugar. You know, it's gonna be very diabetic friendly, and also for whoever health conscious, this is for you. Now, let's start. So, we have, guys, 1 liter of low-fat milk and then dried cranberries and half cup of coconut sugar, which is organic, and then we have 12 pieces of fresh strawberries, medium to large sizes, and this one we have also a bowl of ice cubes. So let's start. So first, let's put the strawberries and then the cranberries, and then let's blend it. And now let's add the milk, 1 liter. And let's continue to blend. And then let's add the ice cubes because it's very fast to get melt, guys. Ice cubes and the sugar. If you like more sweet, guys, you can always add more sugar because, you know, myself, I always like just a bit of sweetness. And this one is organic coconut sugar, which is recommended by the doctor for whoever having a problem with the sugar. So now let's continue to blend. It's done, guys. So because I like a bit of pieces of strawberries and cranberries, so I don't want to really crush it. Now let's pour to the glass. Wow, very nice color and also bubbly. Here's our strawberry milkshake, low fat, very healthy, guys. Let's taste, guys. How is the sugar? If it is okay or is still missing. Yes, guys, I would say that half a cup of sugar for 1 liter of milk is just perfectly sweet. So, but if you like more sweet, you can always add more sugar. And I forgot to say thank you to my friend Des Manzano for giving me these fresh strawberries from Baguio. And hope you like this video, guys. Please don't forget to give a like. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye! Keep safe, everyone!